Paatsamakuja 4, city name is Finland. It's in Koivukylä, rather close to Leila here in Vantaa. Helsinki has the boss region, Uusimaa and Finland. Now this residential building was built at the turn of the year 1984-85, but for some strange reason the serial number actually begins from the staircases A and B, which received the Kone fixtures in January 1985. This was built in December 1984 still, but this is the staircase D. We're going to get to the staircase E as well. We've just been to the staircase C. The serial number is H63174, and yeah, it turned 5 years old in 2019. Been inspected in 2023. Very interesting residential building.
Yeah.
Now, of course, the staircases A and B also have the same sort of sound as this.
Yeah.
But then it was really close that these would have also received the Kone fixtures in December 1984, because it was introduced, and the prototype is from December that year in Salo.
Yeah.
So, but in the residential buildings they wanted to use these ones to the end.
Yeah.
That's probably the reason. We're gonna do a second silent ride.
The documents maintained by Kone. No.
Yeah, it's got a simple memory in only one direction for one floor.
Yeah.
But no lamps.
Yeah.
In the buttons. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the stages 3. And yeah, the stages A and B, they have memory.
Yeah.
Because they have Kone fixtures.
That's